We will be making potato and onion fry-up today. I boiled 4 potatoes and grated them. Then I added 50 ml of cooking oil to a pot. I am adding 1 finely chopped onion to it and frying it until its color turns. It needs to be on medium heat as high heat would cause it to burn. When the onion starts to change in color, let's add a tablespoon of tomato paste and sauté them together for 2 minutes. After that, let's add the grated onion. Let's now spice up the dish with a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, and a teaspoon of salt. We now need to keep stirring it while sautéing it for 5 minutes. At this stage, we can put the heat up to a higher setting. After sautéing it for 5 minutes, our potato fry-up will be ready. We would be happy to answer your questions and read your comments about this dish. This recipe will serve up to 4 people. Enjoy!